How to stop overthinking before it consumes you. Are you feeling a lot before taking any decisions? Or when are you going to sleep at night? Is it like you think a lot about maybe the past, maybe the future? Then that is what it called overthinking. And you are not alone. There are many people, many of my students in my community, they have said that they have this overthinking problem and they don't know how to overcome it. So this video is for all of you who have the overthinking problem and you don't know what to do. So let's start. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Sudeshna. I'm a mindset coach and healer, and I help people to become a certified mindset rewiring healer and coach. So right now, I have a community named Mindset Rewiring Hub where we all are doing healing and coaching together to have a beautiful life which we want. So let's start. So overthinking, what is overthinking? Again, from the name itself, you understand that you think more than what is required, right? But you will say, Sudeshna, even if I overthink, what is like, why I shouldn't stop it? You should stop it because overthinking gives you emotionally burnout. Overthinking gives you a lot of stress, which is causing a lot of problem in your body, because overthinking keeps your fight or flight mode on. And when your fight or flight, that is the nervous system, when it is not I mean on, when your fight or flight system is on, that is the time when your parasympathetic nerve is almost not working. And when your parasympathetic nerve is not working properly, I'm not saying that it's not working, but it's suppressed. Because of that, you will have sleep problem, you will have a digestion problem, you will have immunity problem, and so many other problems. So that is why you should take care of this problem, and you should do whatever is needed to do to come out of your overthinking problem. Now, the next question is why you feel that overthinking. Just check. Most of the time you overthink because you are relating your past outcome into the future, whatever problem you have. Let me elaborate. So, suppose, for example, in a meeting, someday you said something, and your boss told you that you shouldn't have said this. Why did you say this in front of client? And you felt embarrassment that your boss said this in front of everyone. And now, when you are sitting in the next time with the same client, with your boss, you will think 10 times more to say anything, because you will relate with the past outcome which happened in your life, and you will feel that what if boss will say the same thing again. So this is the problem. It is actually stopping you in your career. It is actually creating problem in your health, like I said, that sleep problem, heart diseases, and lot many problem. And it may be also creating problem in your relationship. So this is why you have to actually learn how you can stop this overthinking problem. So now, without wasting much time, let's learn how you can stop this overthinking. So the first thing is awareness. Most of the time, you keep on thinking this overthinking, like what if this, why I shouldn't do this, why I should have done this. Be aware of all those questions in your mind. I'm not saying that you blame yourself, you get angry on yourself, you feel that sadness that why I'm doing this. I'm not telling you to do any of this. You have to be aware, okay, right now I'm overthinking, stop. So that's called awareness of the overthinking. The next step is now release the overthinking. How you can do this? There is a beautiful process called EFT, emotional freedom technique, which I teach to my mindset rewiring healer, how they can do it, how they can master on it, and how they can, by doing it, how they can release all their negative emotions and they can help their client also. So today I will be I'll be teaching this maybe in another video, but today I'll just tell you what are the points of EFT. You can check in my channel itself. There are many EFT videos. So there are this point, 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 and this point. And now what you need to say, everything that maybe I will discuss in any other video. But if you tap these points with at least there, I release my overthinking, I release my overthinking, I release my overthinking, and I love and accept myself the way I am. So repeat at least these two sentences. I can guarantee you will feel a lot better after 2 or 3 rounds of EFT. Now the third part is, once you release your emotions, now you have to change your belief also, that yes, even if you have done or you have some negative outcome which you are relating now, but still you don't know the future. So the future can be different. There is a possibility of a different outcome. So you can do that with the help of meditations and healing. So we practice advanced Ho'oponopono, but for that you have to learn that. If you want to practice and learn advanced Ho'oponopono, join the WhatsApp community mentioned in the description, and then DM the admin number that yes, you want to learn the advanced Ho'oponopono, and then I can guide you how you can be an advanced Ho'oponopono healer yourself. But just for now, for this video, keep your hand on your heart and say, I am sorry, Sudeshna. Please forgive me for all this overthinking. Thank you so much for being with me. So these things you are saying, your soul is saying it to your body. Thank you so much, Sudeshna, for being with me in my ups and downs. I love you, Sudeshna. Keep repeating these 4-5 sentences and you will feel lot better. So keep on doing the same practices. If you don't want to actually whatever the impact I said, if you don't want that overthinking will create those impact in your life, please practice this. And if you really want to master Ho'oponopono, EFT, and all those other modalities, please join the WhatsApp community and DM the admin number to know more. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not part of my YouTube family, please subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.